Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. This video is about how to control 3 lamps using 2-gang 2-way switch. We have lamp A, lamp B and lamp C, and the connection is going to be done in such a way that this gang you see here, this is the 2-gang 2-way switch. This gang is going to control 2 lamps, that is A and B, and this gang is going to control lamp C. These are the lamp holders, and I actually have the lamps at this side. We have 3 lamps over here, and with the 2-gang 2-way switch we have 6 terminals, and with the 6 terminals we have 3 terminals being controlled by this gang and the other terminals being controlled by this gang. Now let's open it to see what is in there. Yes, we have 6 terminals. This is actually 1-gang 2-way switch, and this is also 1-gang 2-way switch, but we have these 2 switches same enclosure, so we could call it 2-gang 2-way switch. Others might also call it 2-gang 4-way switch. It is the same thing because we have one terminal as the common or the live, and the other 2 as L1. This is L1 and this is L2. The same way we have common or the live at this side, and this is L1 and this is L2. That is the way, the L1, the L2, the L1 and the L2. So someone might call it 2-gang 2-way switch. This is actually the gang. Others might refer the gang as the common terminals, that is the live terminals. Now this is 2-gang 2-way switch. In order for this switch to work, there must be a live wire connected to the common or the L, and in order for this side to work, there must be a live wire connected to L. If only we want to connect this side to a load and this side to a load, how to connect a live wire from this side to this side? So guys, without wasting much time, let's get started with the wiring connection. Now this is the wiring diagram of the whole circuit. We have the circuit breaker, that is the C breaker. This is the circuit breaker. We have lamp A, lamp B and lamp C, and this is actually the 2-gang 2-way switch. We have 6 terminals. We have common at this side. This is the common. We have the common here, or the L. This is the common, and this is also a common. This is a bull switch. We have L at this side, that is the live. Other switch too, you might see C, that is the common, and this is the same thing. And this is the wiring diagram. We have the common at this side, L1 and L2. The same way we have common at this side, we have L1 and L2. This is 2-gang 2-way switch, and as I said, others might call it 2-gang 4-way switch because of the L1 and L2. L1 and L2, we have 4 terminals as the way and 2 terminals as the common. So others might refer this switch as 2-gang 4-way switch. Others too might call it 2-gang 2-way switch, as I'm saying right now. The only thing you have to take note is how this switch actually works. It is very important. We have this side here. This is actually a locker. When you push the switch, what is going to make it lock so that the lamp will still be on? That is what we have here. So when I push it, it is going to be a straight line, and this bar, that is the common or the live, is going to shift from L1 to L2. This side to the same principle. When you push the gang, this vein you see here is going to turn to a straight line, and this bar, that is the common bar, is going to be pushed to this side, that is the L2. That is the way the switch works. And before a 220 load works, there must be live and neutral connected to the load. This is a 220 volt lamp. So in the wiring connection, we have the neutral coming from the circuit breaker to this side, that is lamp A. This is lamp A. We have the neutral connected to lamp A, and then I looped the same neutral from this side to lamp B, and I also looped the same neutral to lamp C. Now you could see that you have something like a curve at this side. This curve simply means a cable crossing. This cable is actually crossing this cable. It is crossing L1, meaning I drew this L1, the line, I drew it before drawing this line. So this cable is actually crossing this one. We have a lot of them here, this side, this side. That is a cable crossing. And in this video, we make good use of the L1 and this side to L1. At the end of the video, I'll connect one switch wire to L2 to see how the circuit is going to operate. We have this side, that's the L1. This is a switch wire connected to lamp A, and the same switch wire is being looped to lamp B, meaning this gang is going to control these two lamps, that is A and B, and finally this gang to this lamp C. This is the switch wire L1 to lamp C. This side, the L1, I loop the switch wire. This is a switch wire to lamp A. I loop it from the lamp holder to lamp B. You can loop it from the switch. It is the same principle. You can also loop it like this from the lamp holder itself to the other lamp holder, or you can loop the switch wire from the L1 on the switch to lamp B. It is the same principle. We have the live coming all the way from the circuit breaker to the common or the L. That is live. And then I used a jumper to loop the live from the L to this side of the switch. This is one side, and this is also one side, something like this. This is one side, this is also one side. So in order for this side to work, I have to loop the live from this side to this side. That is what I've done in the wiring diagram. And if you want to learn about how to draw electrical switches, I'm going to leave a video link in the description down below. I have a lot of electrical diagrams drawn and explained. So I'm going to leave that link in the description down below. If you want to learn about those switches, you can actually go to the description and tap on the link. It will take you directly to that video to watch it. So guys, as I said, let's get started with the wiring. And as I said, in order for a 220 volts load to work, there must be live and neutral. So I'm going to connect the neutral to the lamp holders first, and we proceed with the other things. This green cable is going to serve as my neutral and the red cable as my live. This is the circuit breaker. We have the live at this side and the neutral at this side. So I'll connect the neutral from this side. This is the neutral connected to one side. Now this lamp holder, we have two terminals, that is live and neutral, or switch wire and neutral. It's the same thing. And this lamp holder, we have three terminals. We have live and neutral, or neutral and switch wire. And this terminal you see here is the earth. So if you have three terminals, you have to bear in mind that one terminal is for the earth. So if you have your earth wire, you can actually connect it to it. And that is that. So I'll connect the neutral to this side. Now use another green cable to loop the neutral, like what I've done in the wiring. Loop it to lamp B and lamp C. This is lamp C. Also connect the neutral to the lamp C. So right now we are done with the neutral connections. What we have to do is to connect the main live to the common of the switch. This is the main live. We have the common or the L at this side. This is the live or the common. This is also the live or the common. So in order for me to use this, I have to connect a live wire to this side. This is the live, and in this very video you are going to make good use of this side too. So I have to loop the same live to this side. That is a jumper, a piece of cable. This is the cable. To this side. Okay guys, that is what we have done. This is the live coming all the way to common. This is one side of the switch. And then I used a piece of cable to loop the live. This is what I've done here. To this side, that is common. So this is the main live coming to the switch. And I used a piece of cable to loop the main live, this side to this side. It's as simple as that. Now we are left with the switch wires. Switch wire to this lamp A and lamp B. we're going to use this side to control the lamp A and the lamp B, and this side the lamp C. So I'll use this cable. This is a switch wire. We have L1 at this side and this side L2. The same way we have L1 at this side and this side L2. And we are going to make good use of the L1. As in the wiring diagram, we have L1 and L2, L1 and L2. We have only L1 connected to the load, L1. And as I said earlier, we want to control these two lamps with this gang. Now, we can also connect another cable from L1 to lamp holder B. It is the same principle, or you can loop the same switch wire to lamp holder A to this side. It is the same principle. But in this case, we are only going to loop the switch wire from lamp holder A to lamp holder B. This is the switch wire to lamp holder B. This is L1 to A, and then I looped it from this side to lamp holder B. Simple as that. Guys, we have lamp holder A and lamp holder B successfully connected. We are left with lamp holder C, and this is the switch wire for lamp holder C. All the things needed to be connected are connected successfully. The light coming all the way from the circuit breaker to the switch. We have common at this side, and then I use a piece of cable to loop the light from this side to this side. This is the cable from this side to this side, that is common. And a switch wire connected to L1 to lamp holder A, and then I loop the same switch wire to lamp holder B. So this gang is actually going to control these two lamps, and this gang, this lamp, that is that. This is the switch wire for this lamp, and this is the switch wire for this lamp, and this is also the switch wire for this one. That is that. This is a screw type, so I'll screw it all the way down. Okay guys, we are successfully done with everything. So what I'll do is to turn on the circuit breaker. Okay. Lamp A and lamp B are to be controlled by this gang. Turn it on. Okay. These two lamps are working perfectly. Turn it off. Okay, this one is also working. You could see that this lamp is actually blinking, but in reality it is not blinking, and this phenomenon is called stroboscopic effect. So guys, that is that. If you want to control 3 lamps using 2-gang 2-way switch, and one gang is going to control 2 lamps at the same time, and the other gang is also going to control that single lamp. That is how the connection is being done. You can actually do this type of connection anywhere in your household. You want a gang to control 2 lamps at the same time, the other gang to control another lamp. That is how to do such a connection. And as I said, I'm going to leave a video about how to draw electrical switches in the description down below. So if you want to learn how to draw these switches, go to the description and tap on the link. It will take you directly to that video to watch it. As I said earlier on, I'm actually going to remove the switch wire. This is lamp C. From L1, we have L1 on this side to L2 to see how the circuit is going to operate. So safety first, I'll turn off the circuit breaker and then remove the switch wire from L1, that is lamp C, to the L2. We have L1 on this side. This side is L2. You have successfully removed the cable from L1, that is this side, to L2. I will cover it and then you will operate the circuit to see how it is going to work. I turn the circuit breaker on. Now you could see that the switching position has changed. Turn it on like this. But right now it is actually at the off position and this lamp is actually on. So this side is rather going to turn it off. So whenever you are connecting your load to the L1 and L2, how to actually check the switching position. It is very important. If you want the switching position to be something like this, that is on, then how to use the L1. If you want it to be something like that, that is on, how to actually use the L2. So guys, that is that. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop a video, YouTube is going to notify you. Thank you for watching this video and see you in my next video.